Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be going over with you the top 5 best performing stocks of 2020. It's been a crazy year with all of this volatility caused by this terrible pandemic that we've had to endure, but I would argue that it was actually a great year for investors as all 3 indexes ended above their highs last year, and even through the extreme volatility, I was able to find some great deals this year. It also brought so many more people into investing, and I feel like long term it'll be great for the market. But other than that, let me get right into it. Coming in at number 5 on the list is going to be the stock Kirk, and it's up over 1,500% this year, with a low on the year of just 56 cents and a high on the year of 21.93. Now, what exactly does Kirkland do? Kirkland is a retail chain that sells home decor as well as accessories. The reason that they've gone up so much this year is very simple, and that's that their earnings have been up massively. Even through this pandemic, their earnings both in store as well as through their e-commerce section has been up year over year, and people seeing that realize the strength of this company and want to get in, which has led to its 1,500% gain this year. This stock is also known for having very high institutional ownership, and what that means is leaders of other large financial corporations are really into the stock. They own the stock themselves, and this is generally great for a stock's price because it helps people to have confidence in the stock, given that people a lot smarter than them are interested in it. Coming in at number 4 on the list is going to be BTBT or Bit Digital. The stock is up 1,654% on the year, with a low on the year of 28 cents and a high of right around $9. Now, what has Bit Digital done to earn such a large growth in their stock price? Well, what they're doing is working in the crypto industry. Specifically, what Bit Digital does is operate crypto mining machines across both China and the United States, and they're known for having incredibly impressive operating profit. Obviously, Bitcoin itself has also made an incredible run this year, surpassing $20,000 per Bitcoin and really proving all of the doubters wrong. It's even got the attention of high-profile individuals like Elon Musk to look into it. With the momentum of Bitcoin as well as the high-quality business that this is, I don't know if this run is quite over yet. Coming in at number 3 on the top stocks of the year is going to be Vaxart. The stock is up 1,800% this year, with a low of just 30 cents and a high of around $17.49. You can see on this chart that it's currently sitting at right around $7, so this 1,800% doesn't even represent the highest that it was this year, because of the fact that this stock has experienced some bearish sentiment recently. Now, what has Vaxart done to earn this large growth? They've created an oral vaccine for the COVID-19 virus. It's currently still in its early stages. I believe it's in stage 1 or 2. But I'm sure for many people, the idea of being able to take a vaccine orally versus through an injection is very appealing, and that has led to the large spike in their stock price. They've also had fairly positive results on their trials, although they're way behind other companies, which is somewhat of a problem. You can see from this article that this company has never turned a profit, and this year is not expected to change that. They brought in an even higher loss than last year, and their revenue was down compared to last year. So although this stock has run based off of their oral vaccine, this explains a little bit about why it's starting to decline. Coming in at number 2 on the list is going to be Blink or Blink Charging, and it's up 2,500% this year. The stock has a low of $1.25 and a high of right around $55. This stock is truly a case of being in the right place at the right time, as the electric vehicle industry is truly exploding right now. You can see on their website that global EV purchases are forecasted to rise to 10 million in just the next 5 years. And because of the fact that Blink does electric vehicle charging, they're able to take advantage of all 10 million of those sales. Obviously, this company has its competitors, but there's room for many players in the market, and I think that's why it's really made its rise this year. The number one performing stock of 2020 is Novavax. They're up 3,100% on the year, with a low of around $4 and a high of almost $200. Congratulations to anyone who invested in this company, because I sure didn't, and I'm really regretting it. What has this company done to deserve this growth? Well, you probably guessed it. They've been working on the COVID-19 vaccine, and they were in the lead and up there with companies like Pfizer and Moderna for a really long time. They're currently in phase 3, and their vaccine should be done very soon. These last two stocks have been somewhat predictable in terms of their industries. 2020 has been really hot when it came to electric vehicle as well as vaccine stocks. I also want to end this video by saying I'm not currently invested in any of these companies, and I would consider it somewhat risky to be investing in a company that's up thousands of percent in a year, because I just see so much downside in their stock price. Especially with some of these companies with temporary catalysts like these COVID-19 companies, I'm just really not sure how well their gains are going to hold up throughout 2021, so just be careful with that. Other than that though, I just want to thank you for watching this video all the way through, and feel free to leave a like down below if you enjoyed it. Also, feel free to subscribe so you don't miss all of our top stock videos, and leave any comments you have. But other than that, I'll see you in the next one.